Any trader out there looking for a support group that is free, absolutely free to join, then so we're risking $22 for this trade, and the profit target is $107. So 22 407, that's like 1 to 5. We come back down, go through all of this. I literally watched it. I didn't bring my stop loss to break even because I didn't feel as though we're at an area of interest right now, and I might want to consider closing because it's possible that we make a double top then come down till here. Welcome back to another video. Hope y'all doing amazing. It's Monday the 10th of June. So far June has been a really great month, had a good start, and we're hoping to continue that positive momentum. Honestly, over the weekends I did some analyzing on this chart, and right where I have this alert, I'm thinking to sell at that zone if price comes up there and gives me the opportunity. I honestly believe that this market would be going down. I believe we are bearish, but I still need more confirmation. You know me, confirmation only really begins after 9:30. So I'm watching it. Hope y'all like the new colors, blinds them and shit change. Gonna be like a little bit more orange. Nah, this too white. Yeah, I think it gives a more natural look, a lot more brightness than before. But yeah, hope y'all really doing great, man. I just wish the best for you, and big up everybody self who has been subscribing and commenting and reaching out to me on Instagram. For sure. Like, don't be shy. I'm on Instagram at Kevon Roach. I'm just put the tag somewhere up here, or you can message the business account GTFX as well. Either one, I'll respond, and we can connect. I also have a chat room full of Guyanese traders, professional traders. So if you don't have to be Guyanese, but if you are at least beyond beginner, if you're already trading and you just need a community of persons to support you, because we don't send signals or like none of that. We're just there to support each other, whether we have good trades, bad trades, if we're having doubts about our analysis and stuff like that. Because a few of the persons use similar strategies. Some persons trade SMC, some ICT, some supply and demand, persons using support and resistance, and we're all still profitable, but we support each other mainly. So any trader out there looking for a support group that is free, absolutely free to join, then you can hit me up, because I won't be posting the link in description, because what I notice is when the chat room is just available for anybody to join, a lot of beginners are joining the chat room, and it kind of takes away from the beauty of the chat room. I'm gonna be honest. Most of the persons in there aren't really ready to teach or assist other persons to get to that level where they are, and that's completely fine. Everybody's at a different point in their journey. So that's why I created the beginners group, which has about 140 something members and counting. So for persons who are interested in learning about Forex and you would like a community to grow with and learn together, then that's the beginners group. For those who already have your edge, have your strategy, you've been trading, whether you're part-time or full-time, then I also have the chat room. You could shoot me a message, just tell me you want to be added to the chat room, and that's it, boom. But I just wanted to pull up the charts early before I got into a trade, and let you guys know what's up, see how things are going. And I'd also like to inform you that I'll be working on something really major, really big. We actually start working on it from today, and you could look forward to that. I'm going to be releasing that within 2 to 3 weeks time, and I believe that's going to help a lot of persons get from point A to point B along this Forex journey. But yeah, that's it. Just wanted to give you guys an update. I'll check in back with you once I have a trade or once I see something interesting on the chart, and we'll continue from where we left off from there. Alright. So we're back. It's 9:48, just after 9:30, which is around the time when I said I would start looking for trades. So I'm in a trade. It was just triggered. I was looking at it. I was saying, okay, look like it can get triggered. Is it solely based off the 1 minute? Well, like what I said I wouldn't be doing? Not necessarily. I noticed that liquidity was taken here on the 5 and the 15, and I saw that okay, this failed to break here and had a push above. On the smaller time frame it had gaps, but it was still a push above nevertheless. Because of the fact that this gap here was already filled before breaking this low kind of drops my confidence in this being a move to the downside, but nevertheless still very aware that that's a possibility. I'm actually aiming for the high on the 5 and 15 minute, the old highs. This would be Friday's high. I could also just aim for, let's see, 1 a.m. high, this morning's high, but price might choose to push beyond there if we're going to the upside. Not gonna lie, this type of price action close to entry and so on is shaky, to say the least. Lot size 0.15, so let's see. I'm not even sure how much I'm risking for this trade in dollar amount. Let me confirm. Okay, so we're risking $22 for this trade, and the profit target is $107. So 407. That's like 1 to 5. So yeah, we're in this one, and as usual, I'm gonna keep y'all here throughout this whole lengthy process. Gonna just set alerts and come back and update you guys once we get to one of these zones. So I was now about to like come in to give y'all an update and tell y'all that we got caught in consolidation, but our area of interest just got touched. Let me drop down to the 1 minute to show you what I've been watching at. So I got into this trade on this retracement right here, this candle. This, let me just forget that it's being this side. So this candle right here, I got into that trade. I watched this happen. This was the area of interest at the bottom. When I was closing the camera, we were at this move here, but it didn't quite touch my area of interest. It just reversed right before it, and then I weathered all of this. We come back down up here. It's raining, by the way, so a little nicey. We come back down, go through all of this. I literally watched it. I didn't bring my stop loss to break even because I didn't feel as though we were at a significant enough level to do that. Like if we passed a significant level to the upside to move my stop losses yet, and I thought that maybe this was consolidation. So I was now opening the camera when we got back like up here, and then we just had that big shoot. But we could still come back down. We could still have a retracement straight down, closing this whole gap if price chooses to do that. So just being aware of the movement in price and everything that's going on. Yeah, I still think it has more to go, even though we'll have retracements on the way there. I'm holding this one. I just wanted to give you guys that update though. We still have about 50% of this trade left to go. This is a 1 to 5. I don't even have that in my trade parameters. 1 to 4 is the max I've ever aimed and caught. So let's see, will I get this one? I'm holding. Looks like price has potential to push to the upside, so holding for the long run. I'm gonna come in back and update you guys in a couple minutes or hours once this trade plays out. Wait, before we actually go, let me just show you how much it is currently at 130 equity. I'm gonna just disappear like that. Right, so we're currently at 130 equity and we're floating $50, $55 in profit. So yeah, now I'll come back in and update you in a minute. I mean, the numbers don't matter, but they kind of do. Alright, so we're back, still holding. We're that far away from take profit. I told everyone we could bring stop loss to break even, so we've been risk free since about like here. And yeah, real proud for holding this trade. We're at an area of interest right now, and I might want to consider closing because it's possible that we make a double top then come down till here. I don't know if I able wait. And we're at 30, the take profit is at 39. This is well beyond. This is a 1 to 4. This is my actual parameters at 1 to 4, by the way. It would be 14 to 60. Out at 63. Will I take it? Will I think I'm gonna take it? I mean, volume, however, is on my side. Like, if we notice this volume bar right here, it's pretty large. Right next to it is almost the same height bullish volume bar, but the candles does not correspond to the volume bar because this is a very large volume bar and this is just a very small pin. It's possible that we might still see more momentum to the upside, but I'm thinking that for the sake of the risk on this account, I could at least close 50% where I'm at right now. Yeah, I'm going close. I'm 6 pips now away from TP. Is it going to hit there? Price be iffin. It do be iffin. And look at these candles size. Nah, fam, I'm closing that. Look at them candles size out of pew. Alright, closed on the funded. Make my one Another day at third. Oh yeah, I'll definitely can't see this time. I'm gonna put it on the screen. But another third of some day on the personal. Not bad. Not bad. Not bad at all. At all. At all. What is it? Is it going to hit there? Are we going to see? Oh, it's not the candle small. Is it the idea I'm charting? I mean, the candle's still small, man. No shame. Also got not a little MT4 account that I ain't really want to tell the public about, right? But yeah, I'm going to go ahead and manually close over there too. Not a little bad win there. Not a little bad W at all. That's a good 1 to 4. I was out this trade at there. So even if it goes to the top, that's fine with me. I just don't like it when my take profit is behind another area of interest, you know? Because sometimes they like to leave two relative area of interest and another one, so it could be like enough energy. It can be a double top or a double bottom, and then when price approaches that area again, it's gonna have enough energy to break beyond. So just don't want to take that risk. Right, so looks like price is gonna get here. Really and truly does. Let me just profit hit, take profit hit every way. I can update the chat. Oh snap, I didn't even update the chat. Alright. Mind all over. Emotionless as usual. Or I'm trying to make it as usual. Just following the system, just doing the same thing on repeat. Hey, not gonna make these videos too long, or like based on the reaction of my audience, it seems that persons prefer a shorter video, so I'll try to keep things as short as possible. And that'll be it for this video. Trade is going. We got a good 63 pips for a 1 to 5. It's a very, very good trade. I don't usually catch 1 to 5s, but it's along the same parameters of how much I'm aiming for per day, anyway between 50 to 100 pips. I'm not looking to aim beyond that. Not looking to catch 100 every day. I'm good with 50 as well. Yeah, that would be it for this trade. That would be it for the parameters of this trade as well. Currently the balance is at 6,174. Let's see if we could pass this phase 1 for real this time by not over trading at all, sticking to my risk parameters, not over leveraging at all either, and just sticking to 1 to 2 trades per day inside my trading window. But that'll be it for this video. For sure, I'll catch you guys in the next one. The price is going crazy. Like some days it is be some days where you could have just like, hey, delete this take profit, and other days it is be like not even more than a pip over your take profit. So you just got learn to be disciplined even when you see days where it going 100 pips past your take profit. So yeah, man, hope I could at least brighten somebody's day. I gotta start trying to put these videos out on the exact day, but it's just so much work to do everything. But we can try. But yeah, man, that's all I got. Hey, I ain't gonna copy dial. Yeah, whoever's watching dial, y'all know I ain't gonna copy dial. That's gonna be it for this video. Catch you guys in the next one. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.
Bye, have a great time.